From the very beginning, we call you an airman. Core values to follow, rules to obey, a creed to memorize, and an oath to recite. At some point along your journey, things change. Core values that you live and breathe, rules you help others to follow, a creed you feel in your bones, and an oath to a country you would die for. That's airmanship. It's the difference between learning how to be an airman and becoming an airman. Airmanship begins with a relentless and innovative mindset. That mindset is more than an attitude. Airmanship is character, patriotism. It's pride and selflessness, courage, honor, heritage. And it's bound in our core values. You'll hear about 1 million different things in your training designed to make you a better airman. But for every one of us, becoming an airman is different. That one thing you see or hear or feel that grows in us. It's a moment that starts a lifetime. Don't wait for the moment in your journey to find you. Seek it out in every action taken, every challenge you face, every decision made, and every lesson learned. What kind of airman you become is up to you, but what's inside you defines our future. We are wingmen to every airman that has come before us and every airman that will serve long after we are gone. Your airmanship will find a home in that same place in your heart where you carry your country. And the heart of an airman is the soul of our Air Force. Aim high, Airman.